We have some videos here, Philip.
Yeah, I want to show the video first just because it's so there's a part of Aura here where that I think a lot of people are going to want to use, which is the first one. If you could go back one, I want to show that knowledge retrieval. So a lot of people ask, as I'm building an AI brain or I have all these spec sheets and internal knowledge about my company and different products that we're designing. This is what you're going to see here on the screen. So I don't have a great way to show this live just because you have to seed this with a lot of data first. So like we talked about, it's all about that data that's in there. So in this video, but you can see here in this video, it's a better way to show it just with the video. But you can say, okay, here's a material and ask it a question about that material. So where's it getting that data from? That's the question that you can upload spec sheets and anything you want to your 3D Experience platform. Or let's say your coworker has uploaded some GD&T callouts or something like that that you might use into your platform, into your swim communities. And so as you're talking about those, the Aura AI companion is indexing all that and it knows all that so that you can ask it the questions and as it pertains to your model. So the actual retrieving that knowledge in SolidWorks using Aura and applying it to an open model is what we want to show here. So yeah, so that's a good way to show that. Hopefully that could you see what it was doing there? I think
Yeah,
you can
it's
see that.
taking your specs and then applying them
Hmm.
across your model.
Yeah, so that's the big one. And then you can go ahead and play this one too if you want. But so this is we're just trying to show you here sort of what Aura can do. Task creation is when it comes to things like your collaborative tasks in the platform. So if you're running your projects out of the 3D Experience platform, maybe you're using Project Planner or something like that, which you see here, then you can actually ask Aura to help you, hey, Aura, I have a task that I want to set up. I have a change action that I want to implement. I want to go in here and say, put a new hole here, or change this material here, and I want to assign it to someone else. Well, Aura can assist with that the whole way as you go through that.
Yeah, and this is a greater connection to the overall platform that we were talking
Mhm.
about previously, the 3D Experience platform. Like we said, the AI tools are a small little component, just one little piece of the platform, but they are kind of where all the buzz is going these days, and it's really
Mhm.
important that we want to put them through their paces and make sure that they
Yeah.
are,
So
you
you
know, good.
can Yeah, so I really want to show that you can use these AI companions with locally installed traditional SolidWorks to do day-to-day activities there. And then you can take it a little step further. And if you actually start running your projects out of the platform, you want to start doing more things like tasks and change actions and things, then you can run those through Aura as well. So it can assist with all of these different levels of connection depending on how you choose to use it.